Today, we're diving into the world of home barista brewing with the JASSY Espresso machine. Let me tell you, this sleek stainless steel beauty is more than just a pretty face. With a powerful 19-bar high-pressure pump, it delivers espresso with a rich layer of crema that will rival your favorite coffee shop's brew. And talk about convenience. This machine boasts a one-touch brewing function, making it effortless to whip up single or double espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes with just a simple press. But here's where it gets even better. This isn't just your average espresso machine. With its automatic built-in milk tank, you can easily customize milk-based drinks to your liking. Whether you prefer a velvety cappuccino or a creamy latte, this machine has got you covered. And don't worry about cleanup. The JASSY Espresso machine comes equipped with a semi-automatic cleaning and descaling function, taking the hassle out of maintenance. One of the standout features for me is the customized cup of espresso. No need to worry about measuring or controlling the volume. The intelligent system ensures that you get the perfect single or double shot every time. Plus, with its sleek stainless steel design, it's sure to add a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Overall, if you're looking to elevate your home barista game, the JASSY Espresso machine is definitely worth considering. With its powerful performance, customizable options, and easy cleaning features, it's a game changer for coffee enthusiasts everywhere. So why wait? Say goodbye to long lines at the coffee shop and hello to cafe-quality brews in the comfort of your own home with the JASSY Espresso machine. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.